platform twenda tutambulire ku nnono da National Unity Platform endo edimu kudo nokukuba ati gwemba member wa National Unity Platform ndina kulonda member wa National Unity Platform.
Yes,
so ekyo ekintu ekya NRM yatukuba kuolo muba MP yatwasinga mujja kubona kuno. Abantu tuli basomesa nti oyo idea yena idea ku kifo kyona kyona kya LC1 bade oyinza okulingira obwe MP.
National Platform abo mu Eastern Region batandise okukunga okuddamu okutukiza abantu abwe bannabusoga baali bategeera enkyukakyuka naye waliwo abagenda babawugulaza nga babajja ku mulamwa bataddewo enkola ey'okuddamu okukunga okujjukiza abantu nti tetuva ku mulamwa. NUP ekibiina ekigenda okujja mu Uganda obuwambe bwalimu balina okugenda nga batambula byalo ku byalo okukola enteekateeka eno ey'okuyambako bannayuganda obutawugulazibwa nti olwaleero kiri Busoga naye ne mu Buganda tukimanyi nti bwe kiti we kiri. Waliwo abagenda bawugulaza abantu nga babajja ku mulamu olw'ebigendererwa byabwe kubanga bo menshoni zaabwe si za kujja nakyemalira mu buyinza wabula bo za kwekuumira bifo na kwefunira musimbi nga bagujja wannakyemalira. N'olw'ensonga eyo enkola ya kukunga yegenda okubayamba wabula bano aba Eastern Region bagamba nti enkola eno yeetaagamu kasente kuba balina okutambula engendo eziwerako balina okukyaliranga radio stations ez'enjawulo okwongera okusomesa abantu nga bayita ku mikutu gya radio wabula beetaagawo ku buyambi obuva eri bannayuganda. Katusabe bannayuganda bakyenyigiremu kubanga kino kiyamba nze naawe buli munnayuganda wooli enkyukakyuka ekwatako era ekugasa. Haji Setu omusomi w'edduwa gwe tutambula naye Haji Setu bakugamba nti mukubireko essimu ye 0703 31 39 25 agenda kubeera kusomera ku dduwaze ebibadde byekutte mbulamu bwo ojja kulaba nga bigenda bisumulukuka. Abamugezezaako bamuweera obujulizi nti edduwaze ddala zikola naawe mugezeeko olwaleero ojja kwejjusa.
Okuzimba Uganda enungi Uganda empyaka mwebale kumpulansi.
Tukiriza kuno baba. Yes sir. Namwe basaba mbina mwa tuliza. Ndio hano hawere mwe barodola Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Omalaho mamudola engane. Abantu berwanyi nibicho kucheka hano akenda ati ewe fino ngo kubira nduko kuti abantu ibe binensi beche batina mayingo yo kujeza kidatu. Omusibona bamala bati babatinda bamala bekunja nti Kyagulanyi akira Museveni kududu nya kidatu nebire kuni ne hasi anu eno Kyagulanyi afuna banga kansalasi bali banga nibe kunja ndi bantu bakodola Kyagulanyi engane batandikoda utinga wakududu kuna so mamudola yengane baba ndio basaba batulirisa kupesa ko kubagira nupo kansalasi dolo wanupo ngalwa bolere MP dolo wanupo mwe balimo.
Ekyo hasimbo kyabero hanerejo wabudambusi ekitula mwabo buli mundu sekinomu program parliament yefe odalwalero kyusambe mbere nifolera nti ino mwana saikiri daka mwenda kyasobola banga kyekanye samukaga kyesidoto kyodalwalero abantu bafirirwe batusibaho bashyabwe nahabona sendikala abali kumasika kala abali kumihodonga introductions weddings ndahabola sendutyo mwe balobona nti mwegataho mwenda basyemwe munyankyabwe abajulira ofumbo obutukuza mwe balobanga musihoda sindahebira otumira ku bandu bali budala behunganira muri abaraso muboli obona nti mujulira asa buyisa obona nti afuna owasye oludalwalero mwebale okubona nti mubambi ojulira shosi almost nganulano njoba nga mbegataho de mbone nti njulira kumuhodo kodalwalero mulwanyumu abawulisa bale mu studio ndibinde bakeni kabatula embeka nembeka osobola nti kabana embasa Muzei Otabomo overe nende embos yovere n'olukuda awo wahamala registration updating registers ndimutulano ocha secretariat sinashene shabaira mwacho kulambula offices mwacho cheka baliyo sinashene
ochemuno mwa moderator simire kulesitevesio evo singira ocha secretariat sihacho kulambula luko ba secretariat yo nende ba honorables abaliyo sai nise nabasohangayo luko ba yasina already secretary njimanyire nanu yuma use yo kubalati mwenjo kulambula enda cha secretary kulwesonga one kwali nda appointment ndakubala tuhacha mu state house kwe kubire ndulu kulwa bindi bitali nibitasangasa musikanda ni dirani ndo office ya NRM the mobilization ya ba members watu belesa instructions mukenda muti mwire document mukimwandike document mutemu mesa fulani ya SG ni isi atuyira mu secretariat wacha the formal document ilo mala mahusonga eche na mayingo sikyala mala mahumundu mulela aye hwali na maliro akadira ndabandi be namayingo bosi efe syanjuna hotiso mundu nenda bande gataho okutunirwa abandi be namayingo yes what all uchuni obo oluwo ko bane Holland ho secretariat habukana na and honorable Keo and honorable Hope palo malomana embosi kyaso bako bitabitana ikitali nga kidisane but all in all efe huli hunyumba ndala but to my dismay ni kwamala handinga over document ni kwamala handinga over document ili SG si ali sindu esiasangasa si ali sindu siesoni omulala ho ba honorable ho bolati boho tebandu ba NRM aba flag bearers siba complaininga kusina ba independence ni aba complaininga olwalero njikira hombeo obolati NRM si aho otumundu NRM inone skanda si abandu esiatwira okulira huira maliro ka abantu ngabolati no NRM yikuli musai sinyo NRM yofanja nayo sidinyusirina sikufuna information sikufuna ABCD esidinyusirina kata mia t-shirt sikufuna esidinyusirina sikufuna ngaho meeting esidinyusirina I'm assuring honorable Hope esibasa siyalo mala mumonja SG mbwe husina ba independence aba niyo ba complaininga but we see tulisa ati si independence sinya niyo ba lu complaininga aye ewe flag bearer sinyo le hopa why sio we tebe sindesyo eso sitebo kubira direct ile honorable Hope yetebe ati fine ndine flag aye mbula hopa why husina batafune flag eba independent niyo bali kupower ebyo niyo bindi byangira ho secretariat why kusina ba flag bearers baba dola ni handi niyo badonga ni bakwire okole hato omuntu mulala abantu babiri ayo kufira kuti abantu abakongo chairman 5 flag bearer MP constituency MP yakwa kwa firwa nende umani MP yakwa flag bearers NRM yirina aba badola bamala ba kamera then sio kubiri umwicha wangu amaliro kahaira abantu bene basingize hubendulu ati bindi byesekeza NRM na mango yawa esekeza na mango NRM yawa kusina bali kukulanga registers cyabali mbe mwanyi ohutamu status ya NRM kusina bali kukula national voters register ohutamu nesi mu register ya NRM ebindi bikada aho eliminatinga esidinyisiri mu office esidinyisiri ho members ba NRM esidinyisirina nisi atuyire yo kugonjola udahe yo sambo iweo then 3 esani bambere so vunani zwa hot chairman wa NRM constitution yefe ya NRM ivolate weni kabambo oli wa NRM flag bearer oba mwiho oba si mwiho oba mulabe wao oli no supportinga oli no campaigninga but my dismay chairman wefe wa NRM yola muhallu abakansala zibandi yabashwari ngatimu eweso nafune flag nibafune flag si aba supporting nibafune flag eya MP wa bukoli south si am supporting kata nibaba balanga nga SG abalanga nga meetings ikindi honorable sabundi ni ahonya hoso of informing aba flag bearers basi atewe owulire okana kulu chabonde flag owulire okana esiekeza sa era hoba mu office yo niye songa change
yes sir abakeni abahatweta kumulere naye bale oba nanti mtwega tamu kulunga basi.
Yes, please.
Karibu. Saho abatuuliza
webale omwami moderator Sanya as a comrade sangalire muno okuhostingano lwa leero mumeta n'amadoboozi abambulirise lwanyeyo nese Ambassa George manyi hane nga Russia wa Ambassa ndelanga omu Russia obona the Ukrainians and the Russians but not really the Ukrainians ogwegata hungi okulwanisa Russia. So here I am studio sha Namaingo FM 91.7 enjibulwa mustundu sha Buhoba B esitukwanende omwami okumutoma sonyanya nga mugandange aliawo mukani parish musigulu sub county. Era ndi musiyemba. Andi musangafu oba musiyemba ndahabola mbwe we are the majority in the waters. Embosi ndahabola ingoma hongo chihuba. Engoma ndidi chihuba hosebidi because all the lero ndine my bosses and omwami moderator Sanya usangalire muno. Otuberesa this opportunity ebulema demohanda abantu be Namayingo. Honorable Andrew, you are most welcome.
Thank you.
I'm so happy that we are here together as a team that coordinates us with the national offices, and I believe that the listeners and the voters of Namayingo and across board, because Radio Namayingo is all over. Along the borders, it's all over, Mr. Sanya. Even around Kenya, our neighbors. Yeah, in fact, they are saying it is very clear. Even in my in-laws in Usonga, Lego Usonga, Kenya, they say they listen to Radio Namayingo. So I'm grateful that we are here so that we can speak to the community and the society. Umuhulundo tabong David Musangafu. Ba hona studio, I didn't know mwe omwami Sanya yatekehe debate inoni nayo oli musachwa mani uye hasa fraternity elimo pastendu mwanguzi ideological mobilizer siri yangu Kaluya Andrew has been a member of parliament like you bulire na wole ndibali yonde with brother Uma George Abbott in the 9th parliament ndahabola mbwe mu position yange mu national unity platform. I'm a professional mobilizer. Need to allow because this is a political party. Very mu active politics. Handi nu very nu hola recruitments and appointments. Eskanda shabola sti. Omwami Ambassa ichano otuhonye mu administrative work. Ndabita mu bitebe bingi mbwe. Ojo wemao kose because we must know. Now it doesn't matter because all the whole the administration in a political party. Either government hasimbu kula sihani ndachandema ni malo teke hebindu because I'm a senior political cadre. Jibule mu NRM somere mu NRM ndahulembera mu NRM ndatula mu NRM ndahecha lero correcting mistakes of the government because no tanyalo wa causing correction from within chalo hubenduru from a side bahubulire. Because no doubt causing correction from within. Banyalo kusuffocatinga because ngoma hongo chiriao. So chasala no limudidi no yokera
asai. Sakera hadacha in State House.
Yes. So omwami otabong David Buhola naye honorable. I believe ngalwa a history ya Namayingo near H in 2010. Mahonoka mzee Gori Haji senior cadre mu NRM.
That's good 7.
Appointment yae okuicho hulembera office ya NRM Namayingo district. I was his general secretary.
Yeah, the ST.
Ne senda recruiting ababo tabongo into the administrative roles. Nga humuleta nga registrar NRM era huleta Molo Boniface administrative secretary. Ni wali ni huwao as interim. No mwami Wanyama Gilbert Maoma abukule obukulembesi obwo. By the way, he's a senior mobilizer and a political mentor. Esembere naye for the whole of my youthhood mululano. Umami moderator, my first appearance mu elections in Uganda was 1998. That was the first adult suffrage election.
Yes.
Ndaliwo Hubalot in the whole sub-county council. I was a young man of about 22 years. So I'm nurtured in cadreship. I'm a cadre.
Yes, sir.
And the political revolutionist. I want to assure you, moderator, Bwana Pastor Moruzi.
Yes.
We challenged the elections in Namaingo, the presidential elections, on a professionalism, because we didn't have fundamental structures.
Mm-hmm.
But ndabo rotabongo niko kwesa nende natu na mwe na are. But we want to caution Adam. Why? Muhulembese bubero bwo mwami wanyama. NRM was 98% nuhulimo. That was the results of elections in 1990. No, 2016. 98. This is the result. You can calculate. NRM saying you have 48%. We had like 49 to 50 something.
Yes.
You look at it. Now you wonder. Our never mobilization, never lecturing at the community on the programs Chesikanda NRM. Who are the cadres?
Mm-hmm.
From 1980 elections to 1986, Museveni, Nataf Christian, and the results in 1980. The birth of NRM began from that time. It was called NRA. By modelinga to NRM, Blane political movement. Nyahatula, Mubindi Bihulu Anakana. Nup was just born 2020 November and went for an election in 2021. 2 months and we were able to challenge the presidential elections.
And win in Namaingo.
That's what I'm saying. I'm talking about Namainga.
Yeah.
And NRM Bulanu Mukure were 35 years in power. No gata for the other 5 years. Of 1998, the formation of the revolution against the UPC government. That is 40 years. Uruchamu 2026 election, when NRM is 46 years, NUP will only be 5 years. What are we saying? I want to advise as a cadre who was brought up in NRM. Honorable always say this. Item number 2 in the NRM 10-point program was the restoration of democracy. No, Jerusalem Saleh. We were tasked to assess every point. Where do you think NRM is failing from? General Wanda didn't awarding a marks like 5 at the level of restoring a democracy in Uganda. We awarded that item 5%. It's a brother to the president. And now we are cadres. We are forming at the grassroots. Moderator Baido. The strength of every structure depends on the foundation.
That's right.
Whenever the foundation is weakened, the whole structure, poromoka. I want, okay, Rina very much.
Yes, sir.
Very good introduction. Lero kuchahakwam. O nimbole no deva manyi. Ero kuchilinanga kada. Orembo siya mbeli choga tam.
Mohulunda Abbas.
Yes.
Wahaba omutesa melei.
Yes.
Mukulu mwanguzi Andrew. Abawuliza benda tegeera ku mwanguzi nani akola atya tambulira atya kwidde Namaingo menkubuuza ekibuuzo kyange.
Okay.
Yes.
Webale ino sebo Mwami Lawrence.
Mwami Lawrence, yes.
Moderator ni management ya radio Namaingo FM chenda na ndala katoneze musanvu. Era nenda kutwala mukisa guno okwebaza abakulembeze baife ab'ekibiina kya National Unity Platform mu Namaingo kulw'okutembeeta ekibiina n'okuturepresenting obulungi bati mu programu eno egendereirwamu okuinforminga abataka ab'ekyalo kino ky'e Namaingo
kubanga tuikiriza nti information is power. Twenda okubebaza mwena nga Namayingo FM obuta ikiriza kutisibwa ne mugana mutuyichaza mu radio kubanga radio edindi baditiisa dati awo kutuchaza mwebale kuguma ni twingiza mu bisenge bya radio eno okwogera kweri abantu baife abena Namayingo. Nenda kusima panelist munaife na irali kusaidiere nigiriza abantu Mamyota Bongo wena webale kuikiriza kuida kugasimbagana nife obolyao
kuba ne radio yoli kwena nizagirese.
Yes, so
webale kusima
so odakwere yangana nti Mamyota Bongo wena aye yebale kuikiriza ife kuida kuogerera ku radio ye.
Amina.
Wano Namayingo amena neirobozi ninze Pastor Mwangu Andrew ndi musoga wakamuli ndi mugabula atera ninza akulira training and leadership development mu National Interplatform. Nsindikibwa era ntumiwa secretariat okuida okuwerekera ku secretary wa for mobilization ali kutalaga bovandu bwa Uganda nga aize emyoyo n'okuteekateeka bamemba ab'ekibiina kya National Interplatform n'okusikiriza ababa ali kukyegayitaku bakyegayite ku tutere twesikule oba twesimulule ku ndegere National Resistance Movement detusibiye ku emyaka 40 n'ekintu. So ndi wano nga trainer era bwemba wano nindagana na kada abatandika abali abasaale mu kuzimba NRM okuba strong mu Namayingo kayinga yasala ibiro yaira kunubu ekyo nenda kukikwebaliza sebo ino imwaba baire balowooza nti tuli batene mu Namayingo tulina abantu abensa abantu abemizi kubanga ono bwabanga ne ya mentally ngono nemali akakola kyebyo nze ndakusaba bwa busabe naire nkuwayine sebo ndakusaba wetondera abatuwuliriza okukuza n'okumentalinga abantu abamala kayini bakyukira abantu ekyo nda kubetondera nkakasa kibalinga ugendereire bafuuke batyo because we good man. Mamyota Bongo ono namukobyeire okuva mu ntandikwa is not so lost. Please reach out to him so that he can build his country while he's still strong. Ngabo oli kukola era Mamyota Bongo ifo olugirwa ife luyigule kubanga emu ku mpango edide tuzimbire ku ekibiina kyaife bajeta inclusiveness. Tituli kibiina ky'abavubuka, tituli kibiina kya basoga oba baganda bonka, tuli kibiina ky'abana Uganda bona abayikiririza mu kununula omuntu wa wansi okuva mu ndegerera NRM. Ate nkakasa Mamyota Bongo iwe toyenda bantu ba Namayingo babe mu ndegere, oyenda babe basimulule babe neidembe betaaye. Bw'oba oyenda abantu be Namayingo betaaye kayito basaidiere eri kubanyweza mu ndegere olina kukyuka waira kuba n'abaligezaako okusumulula abantu mu ndegere. So neyanziza ino sebo okumpa omukisa ogw'okwidde okwogeraku eri abantu be Namayingo n'okuwa abantu baife omukisa okwogeraku eri abantu be Namayingo.
Yes, sir.